Okay, here I am again on my day off. What's that look like? Looks like the cover to a gl1200 clutch. Look at that. Is that dirty? Look at the inside of that thing. Well, you can't see anything. Let me get a light. Where's the light? Here's the light. Look at the inside of that thing there. Is it supposed to be full of crap like that? Well, anyhow. That's where I'm at now. Let's get in there with some more light. Yeah, that's where I'm at now with my clutch disassembly on the bike. I'm assuming my clutch is bad because, or just plain wore out because it's an old bike to start with. And when you pull the clutch back, it's a real pain in the ass to get it neutral. I mean, you gotta have the engine just right, and you gotta do it at just the right time. And like if you're pulling up to a stop sign and you got plenty of time to prep for it, yeah, it's real easy just to slide it into neutral. But if you put it in first gear, pull out a few feet, want to stop, close the garage door, you pretty much gotta shut it off, get it back in neutral. I mean, you can pull the clutch in and it don't go nowhere, but something's still spinning in there. So, anyhow, I'm doing that, and it's underneath the bike, in the bike, and it sets back in there, in that hole back there. Can't even see it. There it is. There it is, right back there. So, not a lot of room to work. That bolt didn't come out. And look, there's the inside of that thing. It's just full of like wax. Anyhow, gl1200 84. Yeah. Tearing apart the clutch. We'll show you a little bit more later. Bye.